I quit. It's all you. Good luck, guys. Ow. Ow.
Oh, what happened?
I'm in 9 health.
Nice.
My life just flashed before my eyes. I'm running B. I'm gonna see if I can't see something. I saw something cat. Saw something cat. Cat.
He's a cat.
Cat, apparently now.
He might be pivoting. Nope, cat.
It's cat. He's getting off.
Terrorists win. Alright, good job, team. Or good job, me, because I'm still carrying you guys.
Poop, give me that info, buy an op for you.
You know how to use that thing?
Hell yeah.
Where's the op?
Our mission is simple. Take them out.
Let's see them kills.
Oh, fuck, you did buy me one. Fuck.
Mid cat is there.
Cat? Did I hear cat?
He said it was clear.
Oh.
What the fuck?
Was he cat barrels when he killed you? That's B, it's B.
Yeah, it's clutch.
You said you knew how to use that M4.
Shut up, I don't care about your opinion.
Cat was not clear.
Grenade out.
These boxes on top.
Defusing.
Good, we're clear. Defuse.
There's one guy.
No! He got me, no! Dude, with an AK? With an AK? That's the luckiest. I dropped the auto at A long doors.
Wow, that was a headshot. I'm thinking.
I'm just fucking blind right now.
Oh my god.
Why are you guys trying to look pretty? Knife? Really? Save the Glock! Really, it's one man. You might get lucky. Don't save the Glock.
Planting.
Here he comes.
Bomb has been planted.
No!
Kill 3, boys.
Dropped an op in the door. Why do I keep playing with people that think they can kill people by changing their weapons?
I didn't know there was a guy there because no one said anything.
Nobody knew he was there. Why were you changing your weapons hard?
Oh my god.
Because it charges up your ammo if you change weapons
Oh
faster.
my god. Stop trying to
I'm sorry,
look
I'll never change
cool.
weapons
You
again.
want to look cool, play good. That's how you look cool.
Yes, sir.